Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to block AliExpress emails from Gmail. Firstly, open the AliExpress website in your desktop browser and hover over the account option in the top right corner and select sign in. Enter your email and password, then click sign in. Now after logging in, hover over account again. Click Settings from the left-hand menu. Now, you will see a window that will help you turn off email notifications. Find the Activate Email Notifications option, click it, and which will open a new tab. Toggle off the notifications you no longer want to receive, and you have now successfully stopped AliExpress promotional and other emails from cluttering your inbox. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.